Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermark from images or from videos. So go to hitpaw.com. You'll need to upgrade your account. I think there's this video watermark remover image, and I'm just going to select this. I don't know if it's gonna work. I do want to be able to try it, but I'm not sure if it works. I'm trying to find a photo where I can delete something. Let me view. Let's see. Okay, let's do this image. I don't know if it's gonna work because I haven't upgraded my account, but I basically uploaded an image here, and you're just going to select an image and it's going to remove the watermark. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. This is what it looks like, by the way. I didn't really show you, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!